Struggling to get your first pull-up? Negative pull-ups might be the best approach. Here's why they work. Let's talk about negative pull-ups. Instead of pulling yourself up, start at the top of the bar, slowly lower yourself down. This is the eccentric phase where your muscles actually build a ton of strength. Why do negatives work so well? You target the exact muscles you need, your lats, biceps, grip. You're also teaching your body the right form, controlling the movement all the way down. And that helps prevent bad habits and reduces your risk of injury. Well, here's how to do them right. Jump up, step up, get your chin over the bar, chest up, shoulders back, core tight. Now lower slowly. Aim for 3 to 5 seconds on the way down. Once you reach the bottom, reset and repeat. Start with 3 sets of 3 to 5 reps, resting about a minute between sets. As you get stronger, try to slow down the lowering phase even more or add more reps. Negatives are amazing for priming your body for full pull-ups, whether you're a beginner or just want to get stronger. Stick with them and you'll see progress faster than you think. Have you tried negative pull-ups before? Did they help your progress? Share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear. Thanks for watching. If this helped your pull-up training, hit like, subscribe. Share this video with someone working on their first pull-up.